Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planet related video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way anytime I post a video you will know. So it's time for my A5 play with me and my Kiki K zip around planner. So I'm going to be using the kit from Simply Gilded and the washi tape that came with the kit. These are the bold decals. I don't think I might put one on, sometimes I do. So she has everything in the kit, extra boxes, icons, date dots and icons. She has 2 sets of days of the week, so you can use this kit more than once. It says live a colorful life, meeting an appointment, washi Wednesday. She got checklists. She has what are those? I don't know what they're called. And the remember important to do, you know, to buy and to pay. So I just wanted to use it because I thought they were really cute. So I think I'm gonna take the pages out so I can work freely. And I just want to put my washi tape down. I used this washi tape in my other video, Faith Plan With Me. I really like this washi, how it looks. It's my colors, it's my color palette, you know, so. And this washi's nothing to play with. It is very nice. I think I'm going to put it across the top too this week. So I need to start whiting out the lines underneath. You know, some people do. I don't really, it doesn't bother me much, but some, depending on the washi, I do want to cover it. So like that, I need to cover that up. Yeah. Put some on this side. Ooh. So this is my main planner where everything goes. You know, I was using the Glam Girl for catch-all, but you know, I just want to switch things up a bit. I have multiple planners, so why not use them? I mean, you know, I'm gonna rate. Should I? Yeah. Me and Tombo don't get along only because it's catered to right-handed people, in my opinion, because you're really supposed to hold it this way and I have to hold it the other way. So, you know, I pulled out too many papers. Let me just move that to the side. I want to put some of this blue washi down. It's so pretty. It's a deep blue, like it's a really nice deep blue, but then it has like, I don't know if it's a faded jean look kind of to it. So so for this week, I set like 2 to 3 goals during the week, and I work on them. And I use this planner with my goals planner to execute it. Now, um, my I have pulled out my passion planner for time management. Um, I think I'm gonna do a plan with me with it. You know, uh, I got the inspiration from Lakeisha over at Lakeisha Loves to Plan, because I do have like a little thing with um memory, so this will help me to focus. The time blocking will help me to focus on my tasks, and I know I have to do X, Y, and Z by such a time. So what's Monday's date? Oh boy. I'll get it now. Oh, Monday's the 13th. Okay, so it's my tweezer. And so I'm really excited to see if it works for me. I kind of like dailies, so but dailies, the ones I use, they did have time on it also, so I think it's kind of the same thing. But if not, I'll just put some daily time sheets. I'm pretty sure I have a printable somewhere that I could print some off, punch them, and put them in my planner. You have to make it your own. You don't have to like march to the beat of anyone else's drum. Um, I want to put important. And you keep working at it until it works. And there's nothing wrong with that. Is this one whole sticker or is it multiple stickers? Yeah, it's multiple. Good. Because I wanted to put this. Wait, let me put it here first just in case I don't have enough for everyone. And if that be the case, I'll just put a little strip of washi there. Hope I'm in frame. I'm pretty sure I am. Let me not put this here. Let me put it here because I don't want the yellow with the yellow. And I'll put this blue there. do have enough. More than enough. I love it when a plan comes together. So I'll put this pink one here. And this one here. And this yellow here. And yellow here. So it's turned out good. Okay, so belief in your dreams. That's cute. I know I always go over the line, but not. I usually only do it over there on the weekend, so let me not do it here, because this is like a perforated line. I don't know. Who knows why things are the way they are in our heads, right? So live a colorful life. There. So for these few boxes, I wanted to use the smaller a little crooked. I want to put the gratitude one on Sunday. And I'll put this one here as well. And I have these cute little floral accents that I could put around. I don't want to use up all of my stickers because I want it to last more than 1 week. Tuesday is trash day. Tuesday is also my mom's Bible study. Wednesday is War Binder Wednesday. I think that's it. I want to put this Woman with the Vision sticker from Ben Barnelli on here also. Let me put some of this. Yes, I love it. So if you made it this far and you enjoyed my video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly and the channel is She Loves Planners, and I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.